12 weeks ago, we bought this house for £230,000 and we stripped it back to brick. We are installing 1,500 kilograms of steel, and this is gonna be the best HMO we built so far, worth over $600,000 once it's done. This is week 4 of the renovation and things are finally starting to take shape. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And last year we started property investing with zero experience to get ourselves out of 9-to-5 jobs. And so far we bought 4 properties, and the goal this year is to buy another 5 properties. And we are recording all our journey and all behind the scenes on this YouTube channel. So now let me show you around. So we are right now in the bedroom 1, and as I mentioned before, we are on week 4 of the renovation, and majority of the strip out is finally done. And as you can see, all the chimney breasts are gone and all the old ceilings has been stripped out. Now let me show you the rest of the house. We have a big steels here. As you can see, this will have to be installed to support the loft that we're gonna be building. So this is bedroom 2. I'm not gonna take you in there as it's a lot of bricks from the chimneys, but all the chimneys are gone, all the old ceilings are gone, so everything has been stripped out. The builders just basically need to clear the house from the rubbish. They're starting to rip out the wall here as we're gonna move the door from here to have a better flow in the house. And here we had before another wall separating these 2 rooms, and now it's one big space, and the builder still has to remove this wall here to create one big open plan kitchen dining area, as this is going to be a big 9-bedroom HMO. Now let me take you upstairs. So we are right now on the 1st floor. And here we used to have a bedroom and a separate bathroom, and now everything has been ripped off and made into one big open space, as we're going to be creating a new layout. As well, at the back here we used to have chimney breasts, and this has been completely removed now, and the gallows bracket has been installed to support the old chimney. Now let me show you the rest of the house. As you can see, we already installed 2 large steel beams, and the reason for them is we are installing steel beams because we're doing loft conversion, and we are planning to add 3 additional bedrooms and 3 additional bathrooms in the loft, as we obviously increasing the footprint of the house, and we are spending around $160,000 on the renovation. Let me show you the rest of the rooms. We had a big wall here that has been removed and opened up, as we're going to be creating new layout in the house. This is the other bedroom here, and as well we had a really big chimney breasts running along here, and as you can see, the new gallows bracket has been installed to support the chimney. And we will be installing a few more steels that just arrived yesterday. Obviously, as you need to fabricate the steels, this was causing a bit of delay, so we are around 1 week behind the schedule, but the steels are finally here and they're going to be installed upcoming week. Let me show you the rest of the house. There is 1 more bedroom left, so this is gonna be another really nice size bedroom. And let's talk about the steels now. So steels and steel fabrication costed us £4,000. Of course, it's a big lump of money, but we think it's really worth it, as we are increasing the size of the house, we're increasing the footprint, and we of course adding additional bedrooms. And the steel weight is 1,500 kilograms. So of course, builders have some really heavy job to do here. So this property is our largest property yet. and we really want to make the most use out of it. We will be installing built-in wardrobes in every single room, and we are really want to take this property to the next level. As you can see, a lot has happened already, but actually we are 1 week behind our schedule as we got delayed by the steel delivery, as we have to create a crank in one of the steels. But you will always have delays in a property development, especially when it comes from external parts. And just to give you an example, we ordered a scaffold to be installed 4 weeks ago, and it actually hasn't been done yet. They came 2 weeks ago, installed the front, then they came back after a week, started installing the scaffold at the back, and they still haven't finished. So the timelines will always move when it comes from the external parts. One tip as well, always get as many quotes as possible, as just for example, we got quotes for the scaffold anywhere from 1,300 pounds all the way to 20,000 pounds. So never ever trust the first few quotes that you get. So in the next couple of weeks, the plan is to have all the steels installed, be completely done with all the strip out, and have the roof open and start the dormer conversion. So make sure to subscribe and follow all this journey and the progression on this house. And if you are interested to see how this house looked like once we purchased it, make sure to check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.